Everybody, tell Chris good night, please.
Good night, Chris.
Good night.
Sorry, dog.
Wait, I'm feeling it.
Oh, you mean you don't subscribe yet? Oh, you mean you don't turn on the notification bell? Oh, you mean you don't like, share, and comment? Oh, you mean you don't tell a friend them about Yaadman, Etan? Oh, you mean people don't know say boy Yaadman, Etan? And right now I wish you a happy New Year, isn't me? Yo, you see, I can't too show on one day in the room right now because as I said, studio tour coming soon. I don't want to give no type of spoilers or nothing. When the room ready, I'm gonna see it on YouTube. Alright, well look at now. I have a story for telling now. So today, January 1st, 2020, we're there. I had the plan say, yo, I got one little par over my house. You see me? I say, bring some friends over. As a matter of fact, I don't even know most of these people, to be perfectly honest with you. I go up on Instagram and post up on my story and say, yo, who want power the Yaadman for New Year's? Yeah, you remember man, yeah, you see them clips and all them things they don't know, say Yaadman done, you know, looking all good and all them things for the new year. You have to look new for the new year, isn't me? Anyways, people them, yo, it's tomorrow for the New Year's. I have some people over my yard. You know, I gotta jerk some chicken, probably play some games, drink up some whey, isn't me? So, I said I look for some people who want power with me tomorrow. Let me know, DM me, I will answer. But look, you know, the plan was, I was supposed to have one of my good brethren them, Chris. Isn't me? I said from nowadays, people them who are the OG Yaadman fans who don't know me I talk about. Alright, yo, Chris, they come from Jamaica with the day I'm with the plan, say, yo, today, I could get like just me and Chris. Let's get like a bag of girl for forward, isn't me? But Chris let me down. And Chris got cancel. So me say, yo, me not cancel nothing. So right now, me don't know. I think about 4 girls will confirm. And potentially up to 6. You see me? So right now, I gotta do 1 Yaadman versus 6 women. Oi! Let's see how the day turns out. People them, as I say, it's a new year. A new me. Well, not a new me, but new attitude, new opportunities, new hair. Well, I'm the same old hair, but you know, new. When I just don't twist my locks and beard things. You see me? I said, a new girl. Well, Shensi are not gonna wear, and you know, Shensi has always been. But as I said, must say about 4 to 6 of them are fall today. Today, Happy New Year, people. Let me go on myself.
I can't keep leaving my camera, dog. Where should I go? Oh, sorry about that.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. So you're not looking at the camera? So are you afraid of the camera, so? Cheese and Pete. No. This can't work. I'm not move off until you're looking at the camera.
No.
Why not? Oh, you're really afraid of the camera? Alright, I'm gonna put on the camera. Alright, man. Hi. So, whenever I realize I too pick up my dad for the. Oh, I got my friend, what's your name?
Hi, Star.
Star. So you're not afraid of the camera like that one, yeah?
Nope.
So you're good?
Mm-hmm.
Comfortable?
Yep.
Tell the people them hello.
Hello, friends.
He's not your friend.
Wow. She don't let me have no other friends but her.
Wow. So you one of them people?
Oh my goodness.
Noted. Alright. So people them going back to the yard. Another one.
That's good. Oh my goodness, not the camera. I'm sure. Oh my.
Hi, well gone. Not good? Yeah. Greetings. Tell the people them hello.
Hello.
Tell the people them hello.
What's up? How are you?
I am fine. Alright, ladies. Greetings. Thank you all for coming. You know, I'm just moving out of the house here. You see me? I said, I don't know. I tell the guy truth. When I go by Instagram and say, yo, who want forward? I want to answer. Thank you.
Yikes.
You see me? So the plan was, I had a brethren from yard. He was supposed to be here. You see me? I said, brethren Chris, but Chris canceled for me this morning. So now I said to myself, jeez, please, Chris. You know, say at least 4 women I go forward in a dog. What me I gonna do? Cancel me for cancel. So I said, you know, I'm gonna make my video out of it. So greetings. So please, no, as I said, I get my manners. What's your name, my dear?
Sahai.
Sahai. Lord, that's one well Rasta. Say that again. Watch the locks. Wait, are you locks that?
Some of it.
Oh, some of it.
It's a long one, sorry. Yeah.
So when real Ras, just as you know, pork and meat and them something that's not even deal with fish. Real ital. Understood. Alright, so how you spell that?
You gotta spell the whole thing too.
Confuse me.
TSA.
TSA, like airport. Alright, and then what?
H.
So hi, I'm mad. So hi. I remember as airport, that's that girl.
Oh my goodness. Airport.
Alright, who next?
Jesus.
Come in, my friend, talk to me. Leslie. Oh, hold on. So hi, where you come from?
Jamaica.
Jamaica, which part of Jamaica? Portmore. So you're one of them Gaza girls then? Okay, alright, I can't do that, but I can. Alright, so
Wait. Number 2.
my friend! Alright, my thing. Yes, my friend, Leslie, talk to me.
What's up?
Alright, Leslie, how you spell that? Alright, with an IE or with a Y?
IE.
With an IE. Alright. Which part you come from, my friend?
I'm from here.
You're from here, from Florida?
But I represent Bahamas.
You represent Bahamas. Alright. 242 in a people belly. Understood. Alright. One thing. You like say like conch and them something there, like conch salad and something there. Sorry, my friend. Me not eat them something they eat there. You see me? Because I'm allergic to those things.
For real?
For real.
You're allergic to
That's
seafood?
crazy, Shepherd.
Fish we can't eat it on. Swim around. We can't manage you know, snap on them something, the salmon them something. You understand? But shrimp and crab and lobster.
See, I don't eat
Senegal
any of
hospital.
that. Like, I don't eat fish. I'm allergic to that, but I eat shrimp and conch. That's it.
Okay. Alright, cool. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
With the IE. Mad. Alright. My friend, talk to me. Go on.
Me or her?
You, me I talk to you, me I look upon. With my 4 eye them, I just get contact lenses, my vision 2020.
Must be
Like the
blind.
year.
2020, yes.
I'm blind.
You blind. Well, you look upon me right now, talk to me.
She star.
She starts.
Alright.
Remember, so we'll come back to you now, you're not quiet like that. You know?
Exactly.
Alright. So,
Well,
Star.
My name's Stardacia.
Stardacia. Lord. Spell that for me, please.
Stardacia.
Stardacia. Mad. Alright, Stardacia. Where you come from?
Brooklyn, but my family's from Trinidad.
Trinidad and Tobago. Yes. So it's a doubles and them thing that I've never had doubles in my life, you know.
That is a sad life.
You know why?
Very sad.
No, you know why? Because I've never been to Trinidad and I feel like I want to go to Trinidad for the first time.
Oh, authentic.
Because when I'm here and I try patty, that is trash to me. You understand?
Bring it the best patty. Golden Cross patty nasty.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And I used to work in a Golden Cross. Sorry. So it's just facts. That's why I feel like I need to go to Trinidad. Because I've had opportunities to have doubles. But I was like, no. Have to be in Trinidad.
It's not the same.
Friend, talk to me.
I'm 9.
You're Nai.
Yes.
How you spell that?
N-I.
N-I.
No, I'm Shanaira.
Shanaira. So people ever call it me?
Yes.
No, I can't stand you.
Eh?
I cannot stand you.
Well, you're sitting down right now.
You want me to stand up?
Sure.
Anyway. I'm from here.
Mm-hmm.
Raised in the Virgin Islands. That's it.
Oh, you grew up on Virgin Islands? Which part?
Christian says St. Point.
Okay, I hear a little something underneath there somewhere, you know. Okay, I know a couple people from VI. Alright. What VI people eat? Everything.
Johnny cake.
Johnny cake.
Yes.
Okay, alright. I mean, don't we all have some type of version of Johnny cake?
Trinidadians call it big dumpling.
Alright, well ladies, can you do me a favor?
It's fried dumpling.
Ladies, please, just, I beg you now. This is one thing, the last thing I ask for. Well, not the last thing, probably when later on I put it up on camera again. Look in the camera and say, big up Chris. Please, just big up Chris. Because Chris, it's your fault, listen, brother. Just big up Chris. And wish Chris a happy new year.
Oh, happy New Year.
Come in, ladies, look in the camera. And just
Happy New Year. Happy New Year, Chris.
Yeah. Happy New Year.
say no, man, I put the camera in your face. I put the camera in your face. Come in. I make you say you can't look for yourself. Tell Chris Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Call him name now.
Chris.
Maybe stuff like this, it just keep going for the whole suit.
She's not cute. Why she look so?
I love when I take out the camera and people within the area like kind of stop and I look for me.
I'm mad because I did it.
Everybody did this one too.
Everybody just.
I didn't know what was
Alright.
going on. It just got quiet. Until he started talking.
No,
I was like,
So, yo, Chris, sorry, brother, but I games time. Yo, ladies, how we play? Hold on, make it. Never. Wait, it's focusing on my face. Hold on. How we play? Never have I ever. Alright, so yeah, we are playing Never Have I Ever. Maybe I'll record some of these things, but when I can't know too much about my life and things, you see me I say? So, yeah, time for game time.
So there we have it. I would just like to wish everybody happy New Year, happy 2020. Now, unfortunately, I chose not to record us playing these games because, boy, when we're playing Ring of Fire, you know, things can get quite heated. And also when we're playing, you know, Never Have I Ever, yeah, there are things that, you know, people just don't need to know. Alright, so people them, big up on their damn self and stay tuned for Yaadman 2020.